Good day everyone, and on this video I'll be walking you through on how to capture your staff details using capture app. So in our previous video I walked you through on how to capture your classes, have to list your class, and on this one we are going to see how our staff details can be captured via the capture app. So as usual, I've selected the capture app from the list of apps, and then I'll proceed to select the program, and then for this I'm going to capture my staff for senior secondary school. I'll select my program as staff senior secondary school, and then my school is already selected by default because the system knows that this is my school. Alright, so I'll go ahead and click on create new person. Now once I click on this, it will open up the form for me to capture the data for my staff. So here, this is the form. Now it's good we know that this particular module of capturing staff details has two stages in it. Stage 1 allows us to capture the biodata or the attributes of the staff, and step 2 allows us to capture the other details of a particular staff. So we are starting with the attributes of a particular staff, and so here we start by selecting our enrollment date. Select your enrollment date. Alright, so for our report, I'm reporting in 2024. Alright, so I'll select the report date as this. Then I will enter the staff file number as it is documented on the form, on the hard copy annual school census 2 that I have. Then the system will check if this file number already exists. If it exists, it will flag. If it doesn't, it will allow you to proceed. Then next is name of staff. You enter the name of staff. Then gender. You select the gender of the staff on the list. Year of birth. You select the year of birth of that particular staff. Then year of appointment. You select the year of appointment from the list, as you can see. That's year of first appointment. Then year of present appointment. You select. Year of present appointment. You select. Then year of posting to this school. You select the year of posting of that particular staff to that school. Alright, good. So once you're done with this biodata here, you go ahead and click on save person. Click on save person. The button is over here at the bottom left. So you tap save person. Now it opens up this interface. Alright, on the left it shows you The first stage shows you the next stage. We are going to fill the details of the staff, and on the right it shows you some indicators about the staff based on the biodata we just captured, that is the staff attributes that we just captured. And so remember I said for this module there are two stages. We are done with stage 1, and you can see on the right the details of the staff are highlighted on the right here, as you can see. So we're going to proceed with the next stage, which is over here by clicking new staff details, and this data is reported yearly. So you click on new staff details to proceed. So this will open the next stage for you to continue your data entry for the other details of this particular staff. So as usual, you proceed by selecting the report date. Right, make sure to maintain the year you are reporting your AC so that you don't have issues with validations at the end of the day. So you type the type, or you select the type of staff. Is it a principal, vice principal, teacher? You select source of salary. Is the source of salary coming from the state government, the federal government, and the rest? You select. Then grade level, select the grade level of the staff and also the step. And then you indicate if the staff is present or temporarily absent. Is he absent for more than 1 month? You indicate based on the records you have on your source document. Academic qualification of that staff. Is he an SSC holder or SSC WASI or an ND OND diploma? Right, so you select based on what you have on your source document. Right, so there are other qualifications below here, right, such as degree and the rest. You select. Okay, teacher qualification, the degree holder, NC holder, PGD, you will select from the list. Subject of qualification, you select what subject the staff teach is qualified to teach, right? So you select. Area of specialization, you select. They are all listed here based on what you have on your source document. Remember, main subject taught, you select from the list. Teaching type, is a full-time or part-time staff, select from the list. Now, these options here say tick if teacher teaches both junior and secondary classes in the school. Right? You do that as it is documented on the source document. Tick if teacher attended training, workshops, seminars in the last 12 months. You do that as it is on the source document. So once you're done with this form, you can go ahead and review, and once you're sure of what is here, what's the data you've entered, you click on complete. Alright, now if you're not sure of what is here, you can click save without completing, right, so that you can review later and complete. Alright, but for me, I've completed. I'm sure of this data, and I'm going to click on what? Complete button. So once you do that, you will see the status is showing here completed. All right, and this is the report date. This is the school. This is the scheduled date. Yeah, so same as the report date. All right, yeah, same as the report date. So this is the enrollment dashboard for that particular person, where you can see all the details, the about data and the other details. All right, so to review the other details of this staff that you just entered, you can click on the list here, and then it gives you room to go in and review again. You can see, as you can see. And if you intend to edit, or maybe you have issues where you made a mistake while entering this data, you can equally click on this edit button over here to edit the details, all right, of this particular stuff. All right, you can see that I can actually edit. All right, you can actually do some corrections. So once I'm done, I'll click on save. All right, as you can see, takes me back to the enrollment dashboard for the particular stuff. All right, thanks for following along. Do have a great day.